guys, this is a quick unboxing video of these alarms. Now, although this is an unboxing, I can tell you right away, although it does say talking, it does also sound an alarm. So it's the talking plus that really high-pitched noise that you hear from other alarms. This does exactly the same. So don't think that just because it's talking, it's just gonna talk. That was my mistake when I bought it, and I've had these one before, and these were replacements that were sent to me. They're brand new, and that's why I'm doing this unboxing. But I can just let you know that right away. So we're gonna open it up. And here we go. So inside the box, you just set this one on the side. Inside the box, we should see this guy. So that's gonna go against the ceiling. All right. Then we got some paperwork. I would hang on to everything, okay? Hang on to every single paper just in case. This has a 10-year warranty. And I can tell you, because I had these before, they do keep their end. And they will send you a replacement if something goes wrong. Also, quick warning for those of you getting one of these, never turn them off. Because once you turn them off, you cannot turn them on. That's the deal with these guys. If you want to turn off the alarm, you actually press on this, and it's gonna reset it. Okay, so never, never, never turn it off by doing this unless it's broken, which in my case they were. That's why I got these replacements. Around it's really simple. It's nothing really heavy. It does come with that 10-year warranty, and that does cover your battery, so this should be good to go. The setting up process is really, really easy. This goes right up to your ceiling. This will connect up to here. Okay, so I'm not gonna connect that right now because I need to hook these guys up. I need to attach this plate. Okay, and again, the connection's easy. This will go on your ceiling. This will go through here, be connected. Okay, and then you guys have this kind of loose. That will be right there. And then this will lock into this plate that's on your ceiling, like so. Okay, so I'm not gonna lock it right now because I should do that once I do the setup video. But that's how you do it, and it's really simple to set up. Now, what I can show you around this, let me just show you all the way around, because this is an unboxing video, so you guys want to see everything about this alarm. There's not much to it, like I mentioned. There's only one way to open it, one way to close it. That's the connection. Really, really simple alarm. There's no Wi-Fi or anything fancy about it. You guys have to take this cover off, okay, for it to work properly. You don't want that cover to be on. And again, the screws, once you guys set it up, are gonna go right through here, and then bang, okay? So that will hang on the ceiling. This is what hangs everything. This is what supports the weight of this, okay? Because this, technically you can take it off, but this will stay on your ceiling. So this is the most important part about it. Anyways, that's it for this unboxing. There's nothing else inside this box that I can show you. I gave you a quick hint of how to set this up. I will be doing a setup video later on. I already did a review, which you guys can see on my channel, and that would be it. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.